Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the Post Market Analysis. Today is Thursday, July 18, 2024. Right now it's at 9:44 p.m. So yesterday the market closed very kind of pretty much near the bottom, and however the futures open with a really strong upbeat, and it kind of making its way higher, and as you can see it's able to go above this opening zone, and when it retraces it basically come back down to this the center, above the center of the opening, and later it kind of push all the way up. It's kind of getting to this what I call like a 1x, and basically it move about 19 points, and from there it's it stayed there a little bit, but pretty quickly it dropped really dramatically. Well, that's around that what, like a 3 o'clock, and then it hit the other side, and also make a new low, and then later it's about kind of trying to go back up and going lower, but it basically is staying within this range, and on the downside on the other range here, and this is before the open it hit the upside again, and then it's so volatile it kind of come back down again. So this is the opening, and we could switch over here to look at that S&P 500 that open. So it actually opened up for 20 points. So that's in a way that's a lot, and is certainly looks very bullish. So it get up there, and then however it come back down to make a new low. It's just that it's within this opening zone, and come back again and make another hit on the upside here, and all these things actually looks very very positive. And however market kind of here dive down dramatically here, as you can see, just like the folding knife, and it cut through the other edge here, and as we can see here is just like a folding knife cut through there, until it gets through the second one here, and then it kind of somewhat kind of store there a little bit, and come back and make a hit on the other side, and but the thing is that this kind of cut through here is so dramatic, and that's a really bad sign for the day. And even though it come back that much, as we can see here, is so volatile as well. It come back here, but it's very quickly. Just looking, this is a 1 minute chart, so this is 1 2 literally about 2-3 minutes, and kind of dive down here again, and this another kind of like a folding knife just cut through here so quickly, and then another one, and actually the second one here actually also like a little bit kind of like a folding knife, not that dramatic as the other one, but still kind of significant there, and then it come back up a bit, and here is a little zone, and it's it continued down and make another hit to the downside. So by now it's like a what 50 55.42, and from here it's kind of here is like a complete move, hit the other edge and come back up and hit another edge and keep going higher, and it's almost feel like this is the market finish the move for the day. But the thing is that this is only what 1 o'clock and still another half day to go, and I think that's really big kind of I mean, lots of things for the second half of the day. Lots of things could happen, and could be very dramatic as well. So this one, it looks like at 1 o'clock, it looks very bullish, and it come here, but pretty quickly it hit the low side here, and then just one hit there is like a it's not like a falling knife, but it come back down and hit that again, come back again and hit that again, and pretty quickly make another hit down here and come back a little bit and make another hit here, so making 3 hit here. And now this is like about 3:15, and it's really intense. It went down to 55.22, and from there you come back. It was able to come back to a hit here. This is we had one hit and another hit, and kind of slammed down again, and finally it closed at around this upper zone of the first one here. So it's a really dramatic. So the future already open, and right now again it looks pretty in many sense it looks pretty bullish right now, and I mean at least it's up for 8 points, right? But overall it's still staying within this like an opening zone, so we shall see where it's going to manifest from here. So today is the total move is like it's pretty. Today's move is really big, and it's been for a very long time. Like today is the move is like a 91 point. That's a lot. Yep. So let's a quick look at the calendar tomorrow. Cannot imagine it's going to be Friday tomorrow. So tomorrow, well, it's not. So tonight, all the Fed speech has already been out of the way, like a 6:05 and 7:45, and then tomorrow is like I did not see really anything going on the calendar other than like a speech coming from Fed Williams, and then another speech coming from Fed Bostic, and then it's going to like Baker Hughes' oil rig count at 1 o'clock, and that's it. Very simple. And what that means, that market could finally come down a little bit. Not sure. But one thing is that when we think about the like a politic thingy about the semiconductor industry, those are trade restriction and those kind of things, and it seems like I how I feel is that it's not stable. So whether that's only for the talking sake, or there will be a material kind of measures to 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 enforce that. Don't know, and but that seems like there's going to be a huge kind of adjustment to the sales and revenue and business environment for semiconductor company, especially for Nvidia, and which is like taking the huge, the lion's share of the index. So probably it would need to take at least a few more days to settle those things down to a baseline, so that the index will be stabilized. That's just a thought, and just don't. Just keep it in the back pocket. If say the market kind of continuously drifting down, the kind of continuing down that downward trajectory since the last 2 days, and that probably not going to be a surprise, especially for the big tech and things like that. That's all I have to share, and wish you all the best, and may the energy be with you all the time. Thank you.